In this episode, we are going to show you how we save at least 10% on every single Carnival cruise we book. It's one of the easiest money-saving options, but surprisingly, very few people know about it. So we are going to give you a step-by-step walkthrough on how to do that coming up. We're Kelly and Jason, exploring the world one cruise ship at a time. Our goal is to give you the details that you need by capturing as much as we possibly can on camera, and hopefully bringing you some laughs along the way. Welcome to the Travel Scouts family. So I am going to take you through the entire process of buying a gift card and show you how easy this is. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go to the website raise.com. That's raise.com, and this is going to be their homepage here. And so all you got to do is go into the search bar and let's type in Carnival. And you can see right there, Carnival pops up, and they're offering 9.5% cash back. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go, it takes me to Carnival. Now basically Raise does a couple different things. They offer cashback gift cards, which means basically you're paying the face amount and then you're getting cash back after you make the purchase. Or they will oftentimes sell discounted gift cards. Usually Raise does not have very many Carnival discounted gift cards, so I use the cashback gift card option, but it's super simple and it's super easy to do. So you can buy gift cards in different amounts, 100, 250, 500, or 1,000, or you can enter your own amount. So I think I'm going to purchase a gift card for $200. So you can see when I enter that in, if I purchase this gift card for $200, Raise is going to give me $19 in Raise cash. That, after I make that purchase, is going to go up here, and this is my balance of how much Raise cash I have right now. So that $19 will be added to the $16.84. So I'm going to select Buy Now. And you're going to go ahead and put in your credit card information, and this here will give you your order summary. So they're saying you're going to buy a $200 gift card from Carnival. It's going to be a digital delivery, so basically you'll just be able to, it won't be an actual physical card. It'll come in an email, and you can pull that gift card number up and you can use it to book your room. So you're going to pay $200. And then right here they say, do you want us to apply the Raise cash that you already have in your balance? So you can see up here, I already have accrued $16.84. So if I wanted to use that, then my total would only be paying $183.16 for a $200 gift card. But I'm going to say no this time. I'm going to keep accruing that. And so basically I'm buying a $200 gift card for $200, but I'm going to get $19 back. So then I would just go, I would click submit the order, and that's pretty much it. It's super simple. And once you submit that order, you will have your new balance will be up here. So once you make your purchase of your gift card, all you're going to do is go up here to My Account, and you will select My Orders. Now it will take sometimes up to a day to get the order processed. So don't freak out if you don't see anything immediately. And this is where all of your Raise orders will be at. So you can see here I purchased a Carnival gift card. You can check your balance. You can see how much you've earned on it. And then here you just click on Reveal Card Details, and it will give you the serial number and the PIN. So in order to use this gift card for your Carnival booking, I went ahead and did a mock booking for us here. So what you're going to do, you're just going to click on copy on the serial number, and we're going to come over to Carnival. When it's time for you to pay, you would click on gift card, and then you would do Control V, which is a way to paste, or you can right click on your mouse and paste that way. Now let's go back to Raise, and let's copy the PIN number and go back into Carnival and
Control V, and then you would just click on apply, and if there's a balance on there, it would go through and process just like it would a credit card, and then it would give you the amount has been applied. So super simple.
The next thing that I want to show you is how to stack your discounts on Raise.com. This will give you an additional 1 to 3% off. And if you're finding this content valuable, please make sure that you hit the like button and feel free to share it with your family and friends that may find this information useful. Also, we do want to let you know that we do have a free resource available for you. I'm going to put the link and the details below. It is a free cruise planner. It has all kinds of details and packing lists and budget planners, and it's a great tool to use to get ready for your next cruise.
Okay, so this is how to stack discounts when you are buying on Raise.com. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to go to a website called Rakuten. It used to be Ebates, but they have changed their name to Rakuten. So we are going to go there. If you're not familiar with Rakuten, I'm going to put a link in the description below, and it is a special link just for you. If you sign up using that link, you will be able to get $10 when you make a qualifying purchase. So make sure and check that out. So what we're going to do here, once we get onto the Rakuten website, we're going to go all the way down to the very bottom of the page. All the way down to the very bottom. And you'll see down here the Rakuten button extension. So we want to load that. If you are using Google Chrome as your internet browser, this will work for you. So you will want to click on that, and basically what that's going to do, you just click get the button. What that's going to do is that's going to put a Chrome extension up here at the top right there. See that little R with the number 1 on there? What that's going to do is anytime that you are shopping on a shopping website, it could be Walmart or Amazon or Nike or anything like that, this little guy is going to pop up and tell you what kind of percentage extra you can get off. So we're going to go back to, so once you have the Chrome extension loaded, we're going to go back to Raise. And what will happen when you go to Raise after you've loaded the Chrome extension, this guy right here will pop up and he'll say, hey, do you want to activate in 1% cash back? Now, Rakuten and Raise are 2 different websites, so your cash back is going to be coming from 2 different places. But hey, every little bit helps. And also, sometimes this is 2%, sometimes it's 3%. It just depends. So you have to check back often and see when you can find the best deal. So just click activate 1% cash back. And you'll see it's activated, and there's really nothing else that you can do. You've got your little sign there, and then you just start like we did from the very beginning, and you will, through the Rakuten gifts website, you will then receive 1% of your purchase. So like I said, every little bit adds up, and that is how to stack discounts when you are purchasing on Raise.com.
Thank you so much for watching today. We hope that you have found this video to be helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when new videos are published.